Welcome to week 17 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad. Welcome to another episode. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, I'm taking $10,000, dividing it by 52 weeks, and every single week I'm buying some crypto. Right now, we are pretty much spending around $200 every single week. I'm accumulating a ton of different projects. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you the project that I'm buying today. Let's go. Now we are inside of the spreadsheet. As you can see, we started out with $10,000. Now we have $6,884 left. These are the projects that we have purchased so far and the amount of tokens that we have in each project. And right here is pretty much what we spent every single week, the projects that we bought and the prices that we paid for them. And now we are on week 17. And in today's video, I'll be buying even more FlashStake. Personally, I'm a big fan of this project. I think it is going to do extremely well in the long term, and I want to stack up as much as possible. Over the last week or so, FlashStake has had a massive correction, and I believe right now it is a great time to accumulate even more. And when we go over to CoinMarketCap, you will see the price of FlashStake is just over 14 cents. And today it is down over 18%. The market cap is just over 5 million, which is extremely low. And when we take a look at the chart, you will see the correction that FlashStake has had. And over the last 7 days, you will see the massive dip that we are seeing right now. When we zoom out to the all-time chart, you will see FlashStake started out flat. We pretty much started buying in this range right here, around 7-8 cents. And then we saw this massive rally all the way to 45 cents. From our initial purchase of FlashStake, it did a 5 to 6x, and now it is correcting. But I believe right now is a great opportunity to buy even more, especially on this big dip. When we go over to the Twitter page, you will see that the team is very active and they are constantly providing updates and constantly improving the project. Also, they just posted an hour ago and it says next strategy coming soon, and more updates to the D app as well. Also, groundwork is happening right now. They are constantly improving, partnering up with other projects, providing even more value and utility to the FlashStake token. Personally, I believe May will be a big month for FlashStake, and in the long term, a year from now, I believe this project is going to do extremely well. As you can see, we are on Uniswap, and I'll be using $200 in order to purchase even more FlashStake. And for 200 bucks, I'll be getting 1,329.18 FlashStake tokens. As you can see, the gas fee is over $22. The gas fees are rising because the meme coins are on the rise again. We have seen Pepe make millionaires in pretty much a couple of days. And now more and more of these meme tokens are making a comeback. More people are using Ethereum, thus causing the gas fees to go even higher. So I'll press approve USDT. It will probably ask me to confirm in my wallet, take me through the whole approval process. Then once it is confirmed, it will be in my wallet and I would have officially bought more FlashStake. As you can see, I have purchased 1,327 FlashStake tokens. The gas fee was a little bit higher. It was over $28, but I had to pay it in order to buy the dip on FlashStake. Now we are back inside of the spreadsheet, and our budget went from 6,884 to 6,655. We got 1,327.31 FlashStake tokens. This is the price that we paid, 0.147. I spent a total of $228.45. This does include the gas fee, which was over $28 by itself. Now I have 4,075.96 FlashStake tokens. My goal is to accumulate over 10,000 FlashStake tokens. That way when the bull run returns, I'll be sitting on a decent position. One other thing that I would like to mention, I will be staking, providing liquidity with the FlashStake tokens that I purchased today. I know it is a little bit more risky, but in my opinion, it is a great way to accumulate even more FlashStake tokens. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.